Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to explore Trello and how you can use it to manage your projects effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1, creating a Trello account. First, open your browser and search for Trello. Go to their website and sign up using your email or Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Trello dashboard. Step 2, creating a board. A board in Trello is where you manage a project. To create one, click on Create New Board. You can name your board, e.g., Marketing Campaign, and choose a background color or image. Click Create Board to get started. Step 3, adding lists. Each board is divided into lists, which represent different stages of your project. For example, you might have lists like To Do, In Progress, and Completed. To create a list, click on Add a List, give it a name, and press Enter. Step 4, creating cards. Now, you can add cards to each list. Cards represent tasks or ideas. To create a card, click on Add a Card under the list and name your task. After creating the card, you can click on it to add more details like due dates, attachments, or labels. Step 5, organizing and tracking. You can move cards between lists as tasks progress. To do this, just drag and drop the card to the appropriate list, e.g., moving a task from To Do to In Progress. Step 6, collaborating with team members. Trello also allows you to collaborate with others. You can add team members to your board and assign them tasks by adding them to specific cards. They'll be notified of changes and can update the progress. Conclusion. And that's it. Trello is a simple yet powerful tool to organize and track your projects. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.